How do you install John Boat lights? Are you ready to light up your John Boat for those evening fishing trips? Installing lights on your John Boat can make a big difference in safety and visibility. Let's break down how to do it step by step. First, you need to plan the layout of your lighting system. Think about what types of lights you need. Navigation lights are essential, with red 4-port and green 4 starboard. You might also want deck lights for better visibility and a light bar for fishing at night. Next, select your lights and components. Look for LED lights that are designed for marine use. Many kits come with everything you need, including mounts, wiring harnesses, waterproof switches, fuses, and relays. This will simplify the installation process. Now let's talk about where to mount the lights. Common spots include the front deck, rear, and sides of the boat. Plan to run the wiring discreetly along the boat's ribs or under the deck. This protects the wires from damage and keeps everything tidy. Once you have your spots picked out, it's time to mount the lights. Use stainless steel mounts or brackets to secure them. Mark and drill holes carefully to ensure everything fits and aligns properly. Make sure there's enough clearance behind the mounting surface for bolts and wiring connections. Next, you will run the wiring. Use marine-grade wiring and connectors to ensure they hold up in wet conditions. Run the wires through grommets or existing holes to prevent chafing. Creating a wiring harness that groups positive and negative leads together will make management easier. Now, connect the wiring to power and switches. Attach the positive wires to a fused power source, usually the boat's battery, and the negative wires to the ground. Install a waterproof on and off switch panel with indicator lights to control your boat lights. Remember to use relays and inline fuses to protect your electrical system. After everything is connected, it's time to test the system. Check each light individually to confirm they work properly. Make sure the navigation lights show the correct colors and that the deck and bar lights illuminate as intended. Finally, secure and hide the wiring. Use zip ties or clips to keep everything in place and hide the wires under the deck or along the ribs. This prevents snagging or damage while you are out fishing. Having reliable lighting on your John Boat is essential for safe navigation in low light. It also allows you to extend your fishing time into the early morning or late evening. Plus, using low glare LED lights minimizes disturbance to fish, improving your chances of a successful catch. So, get those lights installed and enjoy your time on the water.